humans, it's Lou here for Simply Crochet Magazine. Please excuse the change of scenery, but unfortunately the lighting in Scotland, even though it's May, so you'd think, you know, we'd have sunshine, we don't get sunshine here. I wonder what it looks like. So the lighting in here has been a little bit like being in a cave. So I'm over here by the window, basking in the grey sunlight of bonny Scotland. So I would like to warmly welcome you to the 4th instalment of the Hook and Learn project. For those of you who are unaware of what the Hook and Learn project is, it is a 13-part crochet along by the very talented Lucy Croft, in which we will be giving you a different stitch every month to make yourself a delectable sampler blanket. You will get 2 versions of this pattern, one of which is suitable for double knit yarn. In this case we are using Scheepjes Colour Crafter, and one that is suitable for an Aran weight yarn, and we will be using for that Scheepjes Stonewash XL. For the purposes of demonstration I will be using Scheepjes Stonewash XL because I feel like it's a little bit easier to see on camera. And for those of you who haven't joined the project yet but would like to, there is still time. You can download back issues of the magazine, and you can also come and get in touch with us on the Facebook group, which I will link in the description box below. You can also grab your yarn packs ready to go from the retailers I have also listed in the description, and we look forward to getting stuck in with you. So let's get started. As usual for today's tutorial, we are going to be working with the wonderful Scheepjes Stonewash XL. The colours we'll be using for this one are Morganite and this fabulous Barbie pink, which I love, which is called Tourmaline. Now these are Aran weight, and as such we will be using a 5.5mm hook, which for those of you stateside is an I or a 9. So for today's tutorial we are going to be looking at spike stitch. Now this is one that works up to look really complicated and beautiful, but is very, very straightforward. So I've done this little swatch for you here. As you can see, the colours are amazing for this one. They're very much like a fruit salad sweetie or something like that, and I'm loving them. So for your actual spike stitches, we're going to be doing long double crochets into the holes of the lower down rows. Instead of working into the top of our piece, we're going to be working in the row below to start with. So you're going to insert your hook, you're going to yarn over, pull that through, and then kind of loosely pull it up so that it's in line with the top of your work. And then you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through 2, just as you would with a normal double crochet. Now next we're going to be working in the row below that. We're going to move along, and we're going to be working in this one here. So we are going to insert our hook, going to yarn over and pull through, loosen it up until it's in line with the top of our work, going to yarn over, and then we're going to pull through both loops on our hook. And as you can see, it's starting to travel down the way. So again, we're going to work in the row below for the next one. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, loosen that up again. Now that's really important so that you don't end up with things bunching up. Yarn over and pull through 2. So for the final part of the spike part of our pattern, we are going to go into the lowermost hole here, yarn over and pull through, loosen, loosen, loosen. Then we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through 2. And there you have the little spiked area of your pattern, and it looks amazing. So what we'll do is we'll do our 2 double crochet as the pattern suggests, and then we'll move on. I'll show you that once more. Now you will have the full pattern in issue 71 of the mag, so this is really just for demonstration purposes so that you can see a visual of how it looks. So we're going to be working in a sort of diagonal really to create this effect. So first off we're going to work into this one here. We're going to yarn over and pull through, loosen it up. We're going to yarn over again and pull through 2. So as we move on to the next one, we're going to go down a row. So we insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, loosen it up, loosey goosey, yarn over and pull through 2. We'll move to the next one and go down a row again. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, stretch it up, yarn over and pull through 2. Now for the last part, as we did before, exactly the same way, we're going to go down a row. Now when you get to this stage, it can be a bit tricky to get your stitches long enough, but do make sure you've got plenty of slack, or otherwise you're going to end up with kind of ruching going on, and you don't want that. As always, thank you for coming along and taking part in the Hook and Learn project today. We really hope that you are getting on great. If you have any questions or problems whatsoever, please get in touch with me by commenting below or by coming and joining the Facebook group, which I've also linked in the description. You will have access to chat to either myself, the wonderful Lucy Croft, and a few other members of the Simply Crochet Magazine team, as well as a whole host of lovely members of our group. There is a wide skill set and lots of people of all ages, cultures and experience levels, so please come along and say hi. We love you very much and we look forward to seeing you for the 5th instalment next month. Bye.